Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Here we've got the 80D and the 90D side by side. As you can see, they're very similar cameras, pretty much identical in most ways. The only main difference is the 90D can do 4K video and 11 frames a second in terms of fast action shooting, and has a 33 megapixel sensor versus a 24 megapixel sensor on the 80D. Those are really the main differences that matter to most people. Obviously you may have better dynamic range and improved light sensitivity in the new sensor in the 90D. But essentially this video isn't about the specifications of these cameras. This is the BG-E14 battery grip that you can purchase. Now this is compatible with both of these. So what it means is if you've got the 80D and you have the battery grip, the BG-E14, you should be able to use it in your 90D. And this is quite unusual because Canon normally has new battery grips for their new cameras in order to make the consumer, you, buy another one. And normally when they just come out, the new battery grips, they are around the £200 to £250 price mark. Older ones tend to be a lot cheaper, around the £100 price mark. So it's surprising to me that Canon hasn't come out with a brand new one and made it not backwards compatible. So obviously this will fit on the 80D like so. Just tighten that on. As you can see, it's on. That's the battery grip. So what we want to do is see if it'll fit on the 90D with no problems. So we take that off, attach the new one, should fit, we reattach it. Does it fit? Yes it does. It's nice and tight. It's on there. Looks like it belongs on the camera. We've got it on. Let's see if the side button works, and it does. So what we've determined is the BG-E14 battery grip fits on the 90D, and if you bought one for the 80D previously, you should be pleased to know that the same one will work on the new camera. A side note that I would like to give you some information on is you have a battery door on the bottom of your camera that you can take off quite easily. I would highly recommend that you put it onto your battery grip and it's secure there, and leave it there, because if it ever comes to a point where you're wondering where the battery door is for your camera, you'll want to know where it is, because if you want to sell it you'll need the battery door, and it's going to be a pain in the butt getting a replacement one if you lose it. So now it's there, nice and secure, we can put our battery grip back on, reattach it, right, it's on there, nice and secure. As you can see, it's on there. Also, if you've got big hands, it's a good idea to get one of these. So you'll spend about £200 buying one of these. Obviously, generally the newer ones tend to cost more money, but if you've got an old camera like the one I'm recording on the 17 Mark II, you can probably pick up a battery grip for about half the price. Generally speaking, newer technology costs more money. So that's the battery grip. Battery grips will set you back between £220 and £250 off the likes of Amazon. And I just wanted to briefly illustrate that you can use the existing battery grip from your older 80D on the new 90D with no major problems. So I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.